What are the differences between the Canadian startup visa versus other business immigration pathways in Canada? Hi, my name is Ka from Sinka Immigration. We have helped a lot of businesses and individuals to successfully immigrate to Canada. And today we're going to talk about how the startup visa is going to be different from other business immigration programs. Now, for starters, the Canadian Startup Visa Program, also referred to as SUV, offers a direct pathway to permanent residence in Canada. Introduced in 2013, the SUV program aims to attract entrepreneurs from across the globe to Canada with the ultimate goal of generating more job opportunities, fostering economic growth, and enhancing innovation within the country. For eligible candidates, this program offers a route to obtaining permanent residency. Let's deep dive into the primary factors influencing individuals' decision to opt for the startup visa program or to pursue other business immigration routes. Now, the first point, what are the benefits of opting for the Canada Startup Visa? Now, the Canada Startup Visa offers a unique advantage known as dependent age locking, ensuring the stability of the applicant's dependent children's age throughout the application process. Now, when submitting a permanent residence application, the age of the dependent child is effectively frozen at the time of application. This is particularly significant because despite potential delays in processing that may span up to 2 years, the child's age remains unchanged. For instance, if a child is under 22 years of age at the time of application, but reaches 24 by the time PR is approved, they can still be included in the application as long as they are unmarried and financially reliant on the applicant. Second advantage, the START visa is a very quick application. It stands out for its rapid processing, offering the fastest route among business immigration programs, even for applicants with no prior visits to Canada. Now, unlike other Canadian business or investor immigration avenues, the SUV program allows applicants to submit a direct PR application from overseas within a short time frame, typically a matter of days or weeks, contingent upon the prompt assembly of the application following the acquisition of the letter of support. Now, the third advantage is location flexibility. Now, the startup visa provides unparalleled flexibility in terms of location while awaiting a PR decision. Accommodating applicants holding work permits must manage the complexities of settling family members in Canada. Now, unlike other PR programs that necessitate applicants to remain within Canada, potentially for fetching opportunities abroad, the START visa acknowledges the need for applicants to travel between Canada and their home country due to work commitments. Now, the START visa offers 3 flexible options: remaining overseas until the PR decision, applying for optional work permits to enter Canada with family, and staying until the PR decision, or utilizing the optional work permit to travel between Canada and the home country until the PR decision is rendered. Now, opportunities to work with a group. The START visa program allows for the immigration of friends and family members together, permitting adult children, work colleagues, or siblings to apply as part of the same START visa group. Now, this cooperative approach enables resource pooling, rendering the investment pathway more accessible for more applicants provided the profiles align with the startup visa concept they intend to launch in Canada. Another advantage, fewer mandatory requirements. Now, the startup visa does not impose mandatory net worth thresholds, age restrictions, minimum education prerequisites, or as many location constraints as certain other entrepreneur programs. Another advantage, previous visa flexibility. Now, under the startup visa program, applicants are not obliged to enter Canada before applying, enhancing the approval prospects compared to programs like C10, C11, or ICT, and provincial entrepreneur schemes. Now, previous refusals on visitor visas do not adversely impact PR application under the SUV program, provided all refusals are duly disclosed on immigration forms. Now, while the SUV pathway offers numerous advantages for eligible candidates, alternative business immigration programs may better suit certain situations and objectives. Now, let us look at the advantage of the other business immigration programs over the startup visa. So why would you choose the other business pathways? Now, the first advantage is opting for better ROI bet. Now, a startup business doesn't always promise favorable business metrics in terms of return on investment. Some applicants may prefer to invest in an operational business in Canada to enhance the chances of generating tangible income. Now, if eligible, these applicants might opt for a provincial entrepreneur pathway or a C10 investor work permit program. Second advantage, leveraging existing business. Some applicants may already operate a thriving business overseas that they do prefer to utilize for the immigration and establish a branch or subsidiary in Canada. The intra-company transfer pathways serve as a suitable option here. However, they must certainly select the right province to apply to avoid potential PR complications. The next advantage, preference for independent ventures. Now, sometimes joining forces with other applicants may not be the preferred route, especially if there are concerns about hidden reasons that could lead to a group refusal, such as medical issues or previous immigrations applications. Now, some investors seek a direct path to PR without entangling themselves with other applicants. Therefore, they may choose any other individual program in Canada or, at a last resort, pursue a solo founder startup visa application. The next advantage, consideration of a 2-year timeline. Now, some applicants may not have the luxury of waiting for 2 years to obtain permanent residence and would instead opt for a faster program, such as our hybrid owner-operator provincial regional PR program, provided they meet the eligibility criteria. Now, the next advantage, uncertainty in approval rates. Now, not all the applicants are comfortable with the uncertainty surrounding the approval process or success rate of the startup visa program. Despite increased approval rates, some individuals may find the stress of waiting for an immigration officer's decision on the PR based on discretionary powers to be incompatible with the risk tolerance. Now, another advantage, secondary priority of PR. For many applicants, conducting business in North America is the primary objective, with Canada serving as an easier gateway to obtain a work permit compared to the USA. Permanent immigration may not be their main goal, as they aim to establish a banking footprint in North America, such as operations, and facilitate business or trade from Canada. In such case, applying for a work permit may be the preferred quick and straightforward option. In conclusion, we discussed today and has ideally offered you a broad overview of why applicants opt for the Canadian Startup Visa program and why others may choose other business immigration programs. There's no definitive right or wrong decisions. It ultimately hinges on your individual profile, eligibility criteria, and objectives. Now, whether it's the SUV, ICT, C10, provincial entrepreneur programs, or the hybrid owner-operator PR program, we tailor solutions to fit our clients' needs. Now, recently, our South African clients, a husband and wife duo who are part of a startup visa group, were processed in only 3 months. The approval came as a result of hearing our advices and consistently advancing the startup endeavors. Remarkably, they didn't even possess investment funds, yet we leveraged their existing business equity to demonstrate financial viability for the startup. Now, if you're interested in either the Canadian startup visa or other business immigration options in order to move to Canada, give us a call, contact us at Sincar Immigration. My name is Carl from Sincar Immigration. Thank you for listening to us and hope you come back for another channel.